You enlight yourself. You pure yourself. You pure your chakras. You pure your everything inside your body. You have that power. You have that capacity to unfold your mysterious, hidden things. Heal your body, mind, and soul with Vedic sound and energy healing workshops. Do join our workshops. Heal your body, heal your mind, heal your soul. Cure your diseases, cure your problems, cure your obstacles through our right guidance. I'm here to guide you, I'm here to support you, I'm here to teach you how you unfold your problems, your mistakes, your bad deeds, how you remove negativity from your life. I'm here, your host, your friend, your master, your guide, your spiritual master, your guru, your teacher. Anything you like, I'm here for you, with you, with the grace of Lord. You are precious. 100% this is the truth in this world. You are precious because you have a precious eyes, you have a precious hairs, you have a precious everything in your body that is precious. Because no human can make this. No human can make hair, the real hair. No human can make real blood. No human can make real eyes. No human can make real teeth. No human can make anything precious in your body. They can't make. The Lord, the universe, the nature already gave you. You have that. So you have to give devotion. You have to give respect. You have to be thankful to the nature, to the Lord, to yourself. You have that. No. Life is seriously very beautiful. You need to understand that. You need to follow the right way of your life. You have something special in your life. You have to find out that. You have to do that which you love most, which you like most, and you will see the great results will come in your life. And as an spiritual master, I guide you. You can ask me, you can discuss with me your problems, or you can discuss anything with me, your plans, your future, new creations. You develop a lot of things because human, you, I, and every human, even these things which you see in this current time zone, aircraft to a pen, human made. So you have that ability to create fabulous life. Just focus that. Be happy, be positive,